Bitcoin price prediction as U.S. core inflation data is released. Is the bull market about to start? Arslan Butt last updated. May 15, 2024, 2:57 EDT 3-minute read. Bitcoin's price surged by 7.50% to $66,350 amid the latest U.S. inflation data release. The U.S. Consumer Price Index CPI rose by 0.3% in April, down from 0.4% in March and February. This lower-than-expected increase suggests inflation is resuming its downward trend, bolstering financial market expectations for a potential interest rate cut by the Federal Reserve in September. CPI data and its economic implications. The CPI data is significant as it indicates cooling inflation, which is a positive signal for the economy. The slower increase in consumer prices aligns with other data showing retail sales were flat in April, further suggesting a slowdown in domestic demand. This cooling demand is welcome news for Federal Reserve officials aiming to achieve a soft landing for the economy without triggering a recession. Key inflation drivers: shelter and gasoline costs. Shelter costs, including rents, increased by 0.4% for the third consecutive month, and gasoline prices jumped by 2.8%. These two categories accounted for over 70% of the CPI increase. In contrast, food prices remained unchanged, with notable decreases in supermarket prices for items like eggs, which dropped by 7.3%. Year-over-year, the CPI increased by 3.4% in April, down slightly from 3.5% in March. This annual increase has slowed significantly from a peak of 9.1% in June 2022. Economists had forecast the CPI to rise by 0.4% on the month and 3.4% year-over-year, indicating that inflation is moderating. Dovish Funk stance weakens DXY. Driving Bitcoin price up, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell stated that although inflation is going down slowly, he expects it to continue moving downward towards the Fed's 2% target. Financial markets now see a roughly 73% probability of a rate cut in September, up from 69% before the data release. Some economists even anticipate that the Fed may start lowering borrowing costs as early as July. The Fed has kept its benchmark interest rate in the 5.25%, 5.50% range since July, following a series of rate hikes totaling 525 basis points since March 2022. The expectation of a rate cut has positively impacted stock markets, with Wall Street trading higher, the dollar weakening against other currencies, and U.S. Treasury prices rising. This economic environment has fueled Bitcoin's price rally as investors seek alternative assets amidst changing monetary policies. Bitcoin price prediction. Bitcoin is currently trading at $66,350, up 7.50%, according to a bullish Bitcoin price prediction. The 4-hour chart shows a strong bullish rally, with Bitcoin breaking out of a symmetrical triangle pattern around the $63,300 level. This breakout is confirmed by two significant bullish, engulfing candles indicating robust upward momentum. However, caution is warranted as recent candlestick formations, including doji and spinning tops around the $66,200 level, suggest potential market indecision. These patterns, coupled with an overbought RSI of 78, could signal a forthcoming bearish correction. Bitcoin price, key trading levels. Key price levels to watch include the pivot point at $65,150, which serves as a crucial support level. Immediate resistance is found at $67,300, with further resistance at $68,545 and $70,000. On the downside, immediate support is at $63,300, followed by $61,560 and $60,185. The 50-day exponential moving average EMA at $62,565 also provides critical support, reinforcing the bullish trend. If Bitcoin fails to sustain its upward trajectory, a pullback to the pivot point at $65,150 is likely, with further declines potentially reaching $63,300. The RSI being overbought suggests that a bearish correction may be imminent. Conclusion: the overall outlook for Bitcoin remains bullish above the $65,150 pivot point. However, a break below this level could trigger a sharp selling trend, targeting immediate support at $63,300. You might also like Bitcoin price prediction 2024. 2034 as Bitcoin experiences significant market movements. Let's dive into an exciting new opportunity in the crypto world. Solana for sale. Meet Solana, the chubby seal who's made a splash in the Solana sea. Whaled at his PC and expanding daily, Solana has traded his youthful figure for a diet of chips and tin tuna. This adorable seal is completely engrossed in the degen market, tirelessly searching for the next big Solana meme coin. His relentless pursuit keeps his flippers busy, and his living room is a delightful mess. Join the excitement and be part of the Solana journey. The presale offers a chance to buy dollar seal at just 22 cents per token. With a current raise of $1,151,264.12, the Solana presale is gaining impressive traction. Don't miss out on this opportunity to dive into the Solana ecosystem with Solana. Buy Solana presale now. Follow us on Google News. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital.